Imagine H2O Network and friends. My name is Ian Dormal, co-founder and executive vice president of EcoSpears. At EcoSpears, we are an early stage clean tech company with roots stemming from NASA. We've obtained the exclusive license for green NASA remediation technologies that can clean toxins from sediment, soil, and groundwater. So far, we've obtained 12 treatability studies and are focused right now on converting those treatability studies to pilot projects in 2020. So what major problem are we solving? 94%. 94% of America's waterways are contaminated. They are contaminated with cancer-causing toxins, including PCBs and other organic pollutants. Polychlorinated biphenyls, or PCBs, are used in every industrialized nation because of their wide applications and heat-resistant properties. Not only are PCBs a major problem in the US, they are a major problem globally as well. Over 200 countries have signed the Stockholm Convention, a treaty promising to eliminate PCB stockpiles by 2030. Unfortunately, we're far behind the goal that we've set. And you have to start asking yourselves, why is that? It's because current remediation methods are severely outdated. They are not only destructive to the environment, but to our clients' pocketbooks as well. Dig and haul simply moves contaminated media to someone else's backyard. Then there's incineration, a very expensive, energy-intensive process that emits an incredible amount of CO2 into the atmosphere. And there's capping, really a band-aid solution that does not destroy the contamination. The PCB market is an enormous overlooked market where $6 billion is spent annually. Unfortunately, we are all facing tough times right now. It's very challenging for not only for businesses, but for families. But fortunate for EcoSpears, regardless of economic cycles, remediation work still must get done. As I mentioned earlier, EcoSpears is the exclusive licensee of NASA-developed technologies to permanently extract toxins from sediment, soil, and groundwater. The main value proposition to our clients is that we eliminate the perpetual liability on their balance sheets in a cost-effective and eco-friendly way. Our technologies are not only protective of human health, they use far less energy, virtually no water, and they mitigate carbon emissions up to 90%. And most importantly for our clients, we were able to save them 30%, up to 30% on project cost. We have 3 proprietary technologies. In the left there is SPEARS. It stands for Sorbent Polymer Extraction and Remediation System. Boy, you have to love NASA and their acronyms. But SPEARS, it is a clean sediment solution, a scalable matte liner of plastic spikes that gets down pressed into the waterway sediment layer. It's a set it and forget it method, really. SPEARS absorbs toxins like a sponge, trapping the contaminants within the SPEARS. Next up in the middle there is our additive desorption system, or ADS. It's a chemical desorption process that extracts the toxins from impacted soil. We load the excavated soil in our equipment and mechanically blend the material within the equipment with our desorption reagent. We then destroy the toxins with the contaminated reagent with the green chemical dehalogenation process. Lastly, our ultraviolet light advanced oxidation peroxide system is a continuous batch reactor to degrade PCBs in water and groundwater utilizing proprietary anti-fouling technologies. I'll go over 2 case studies here. This one is case studies for ADS technology. We extracted 98% of dioxin from contaminated soil in 2 separate lab studies for a state site in the Northeast, as well as a Superfund site in the Southeast. Here is a case study of UVA AOP, ultraviolet light technology, and we were able to obtain greater than 97% destruction of PCB in groundwater for a major manufacturing client out west. Here's our management team. So my 2 co-founders are former NASA Kennedy Space Center guys. Together, we have a combined 80 years of environmental, analytical chemistry, engineering, and consulting experience. We also have 2 seasoned advisors on our team in Kirinaga Partners who led our $2.3 million seed round in 2018. Let's go ahead and talk about our business model. We follow a standard business model in the industry. EcoSpears typically starts with a treatability study, followed by a pilot demonstration phase on site. After demonstrating those on-site results, we then move to a full-scale deployment phase lasting many years on large financial budgets and also great solid project margins. Right now, we are raising a $1.5 million seed round. It's a safe round. 33% of that is already committed. The funding will be used to ramp up sales and technology development efforts to finish the development of our pilot scale units and to add key team members that can help us transition and execute on the treatability studies to pilot demonstrations. To close, EcoSpears represents an exceptional and unique investment opportunity. We believe we're at that inflection point in the life cycle where we just need additional capital that will help us propel to achieve scale and accelerate the company's growth trajectory. We expect 2020 to be a breakout year. And again, we are EcoSpears. Thank you for listening to us. We look forward to speaking to you regarding this fantastic investment opportunity. If anyone is interested, please reach out to me, Ian, at ecospheres.com. Thank you.